I need a train ticket.
Where do you go today?
I go to the city.
Do you want round trip?
Yes, a round trip ticket.
When will you come back?
I will return tomorrow morning.
The ticket is $20.
I will pay with cash.
Here is your paper ticket.
What time is the train?
It leaves at 10 morning.
Which platform is it on?
It is on platform 2.
Is the train very fast?
Yes, it is very fast.
Will I get a seat?
Yes, your seat is numbered.
Where is the number written?
It is on the ticket.
Thank you for your help.
Have a very safe trip.
I will enjoy the ride.
Do not lose the ticket.
I will put in pocket.
Where is the subway station?
It is down this street.
How far is it now?
Just a 5-minute walk.
Do I turn left there?
No, turn right at corner.
Is the station very big?
Yes, it has many doors.
Where do I buy tickets?
Buy tickets at the window.
Do they take paper cash?
Yes, they take paper money.
Which train goes to Park?
Take the Blue Line train.
Is the blue line fast?
Yes, it is very fast.
How many stops to Park?
It is exactly 3 stops.
I will count the stops.
Listen to the voice announcements.
Thank you for your help.
Have a good train ride.
You are a good friend.
I am glad to help.
Goodbye and have good day.
Does this bus go downtown?
No, it goes to airport.
Which bus goes to downtown?
You need bus number 5.
Where does it stop here?
It stops near that tree.
How often does it come?
It comes every 10 minutes.
Is the ticket very expensive?
It is only $2.
Do I pay the driver?
Yes, give cash to driver.
Does he give exact change?
Have exact money ready, please.
I have two paper dollars.
That is perfectly fine, Paul.
Is the bus very crowded?
Yes, people go to work.
Will I find a seat?
You might stand up today.
I do not mind standing.
Hold the bar very tight.
I will hold it tight.
Here comes the right bus.
Thank you for waiting here.
Have a safe bus trip.
Did the train leave already?
Yes, it left just now.
I ran very fast today.
You are a little late.
When is the next train?
It comes in 1 hour.
That is a long wait.
You can drink some coffee.
Where is the coffee shop?
It is in the hall.
Is my ticket still good?
Yes, the ticket is valid.
Do I stay on platform?
Yes, wait on platform 2.
Will it be very crowded?
Many people will wait here.
I will find a bench.
There is an empty bench.
I will sit and read.
Listen for the loud bell.
Does the bell ring loud?
It rings before train comes.
Thank you for your help.
Do not miss it again.
I will watch the clock.
Excuse me, where are we?
We are on Main Street.
Do you know the museum?
Yes, I know the museum.
When should I get off?
Get off at next stop.
Is it very close now?
Just 2 more minutes riding.
Do I push a button?
Yes, push the red button.
It rings a loud bell.
The driver will stop there.
Is the museum on left?
It is on the right.
It is a big building.
You will see it easily.
Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome, sir.
It is my first visit.
Enjoy the beautiful art there.
I like old history paintings.
Press the red button now.
I am pressing it now.
Have a very nice day.
Goodbye, and thank you again.